Good morning, traders. David here from Daily Forecast. It is Thursday, the 16th of March 2023, and we're here to do an update for Brent oil, for crude oil, for euro, and for Bitcoin. In front of us, we've got Brent oil on the daily chart. You can see that we were in a bearish AB swing. There's our A high, there's our B low. After all these many months, since 5th of December to the 9th of March, 3 months, you can see that price has finally broken the B low. If you guys want analysis of what happened during these waves and stuff here, you can go and look at the old analysis, but you can see finally we have broken the B low. So we've got some housekeeping to do on this chart now. This here becomes the new A high, sorry. And guys, we've actually reached the D extension on this AB swing. Okay, you can see there was a A, there was a B. Price came right up to the A high, a few pips shy of the A high. I think it was 30 odd pips shy of the A high, and price broke the actual B low. You can see that we hit the 118 extension. Okay, with a deep swing like that, we actually just expecting price to actually hit the actual B low itself. It actually pushed right through. There were clearly lots of stops below that level over there. And you can see price fell right through, and we actually hit the 118, came shy of the 127. So if I were to label this chart properly, I would call this the D extension down here. A, B, C, D. So A, B, C, D. Now we start all over again. We've got the A high. We now on this time frame have to still wait for the B low to form. So I'll put a question mark there because we need two candles to the left. We need two candles to the right of this current candle. So that's where we're at on the daily chart. We've got continuation of downtrend. Okay, we are making lower highs and lower lows. We were very long in this AB swing. Price has now broken that B low, giving us a new A high, and we have to wait for the B low to form. The 4-hour chart would be the same, so we'll do the housekeeping on the 4-hour chart as well. You will see here, there's our AB swing, A high, B low, and you can see here we had a line drawn in, and you can see price dropped and fell below that B low. So here's our new A high as well. It once again happens to be the same swing as we have on the daily. It's not always the same swing, it just happens that over this period of time that it was. Here we've actually got a B low in place. Let me remove all of these other lines that's not needed anymore. Here we've actually got a B low in place because we've already got two candles to the right. If I blow it up a little, you'll see there's the low, there's one candle, there's another candle. So we can draw fibs from the A high down to the B low. So there's our highest point within that AB retracement. So this is what we have right now, guys. So this is our current AB swing on the 4-hour chart. We will obviously, according to our trading rules, we'll want price to come back up to the 618 before we're looking for an area of interest. And you can see that's many pips away. We're on 74. That's at 82. Okay, so that's our updating of our housekeeping on the 4-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, we've got some housekeeping to do as well on the 1-hour chart. Yesterday we were saying that because price was, if I go back to the 4-hour chart, yesterday price was hovering around this BF 786 area. Okay, and we were saying that, okay, if we, so let me just back it up a little so you can see it clearer. Yesterday price was hovering around this area just before the B low, which is still inside the BF 786 area, and we said we'll step down to the 1-hour chart, and because we are at the BF 786 on the 4-hour and on the daily, we will look for something bullish at the 618 that will hint that we are going to be moving higher. And I also said that if we don't get anything bullish, then we'll probably fall and resume and take out the B low. You can see that in this candle here, there was never ever any hint of going long. Okay, so there was never, so this potential scenario that we were looking out for didn't materialize, but there was no loss because there was no trade as such. So we've got housekeeping to do on this chart here. So this here becomes the new A high. Okay, and here we've actually got a B low in place as well. You can clearly see on this 1-hour time frame that we're clearly in a downtrend, making lower highs and lower lows all the way through. So Here's our AB swing that we are at on the 1 hour chart. We're looking for price to come up to the 618. That's our area of interest. And that's at 7600. Price is currently at 7430, 7427. That's where we're at right now. We start a reversal on this time frame if and when the A high gets broken on a sustained basis. If we fall down and take out the B low, then this becomes our new A high. So no current trading opportunities here right now. We need price to be at the 618 or higher. At that point, we will look for trading opportunities. Remember, we've had 2 successful trades this week already, so we've more than made our pips and our targets. Crude oil on the 4 hour chart. We got some updating to do here as well. You can see if we're looking at the full on chart now, there's our A high, there's our B low. You can see price came similar to Brent all the way up past the 86 close to the A high. We were then expecting price to actually come down towards the B low. You can see it actually broke the B low and went past the 127 level. So we can also update this chart and put a D in there, because that's our full ABCD swing. This one here becomes our new A high. Okay, this becomes our new A high. We'll just confirm which one of those candles are the high right now. We can remove this fib, clean up the chart a little. We can remove this as well, and we can remove this. Now, yesterday as well, we were at the B failure area on this. We'll go to the 1 hour chart. You can see at no point did price actually hint that we were going to actually rally at that point. So let's just see quickly which is the high here. Looks like it's this one here, 82.64. Yeah, 82.64 is the new A. Okay, this is a bit awkward because of the size of the actual swing, but there we go. There you can see it clearer now. So there's our A high, and here's our B low. Let me label that. That's our B low. We can see that we've actually got the B already. We've got 2 candles to the right. So again, similar to Brent, we need price up at 76.16 in order to look for any trading opportunities on this time frame. Okay, for now we don't have anything. We've just got a new AB swing, and we finally have price breaking the boundaries of the previous AB swing, which we were in since around about, what is this, 12th of December, somewhere around there. There was our A, there was our B, there's our C now, and there's our D. Even though these B failures didn't work out, because these B failures were hinting that we were going to be taking out the A high over coming sessions. You can see that there were pretty decent trading opportunities all the way through there, okay, that we capitalized on. If you go through the old videos, you'll see that. Let's go down to the 1 hour chart. Crude oil on the 1 hour chart. Yesterday we had our most recent AB swing was, I can tell you now, our A was over there. There was our most recent A. Let me make this a bit higher. Also because of the huge sideways activity that we had. And you can see price actually broke that B low yesterday. Okay, giving us again a new AB swing. So we can update this chart, can remove that. This is now a new A high, which actually makes the swings a lot more workable, if I could use that word. There's our B. We've already got the B low in place. We've got 2 candles to the left and 2 candles to the right. So there's our current AB swing on the 1 hour chart on crude. Okay, compared to that crazy AB swing that we've been in for days and weeks, I think it was. So there's our current AB swing on the 1 hour chart. Once again, we will look for price to come to the 618 or higher, where we will start looking for short entry opportunities. Anything from current levels we won't be taking. If price falls and takes out the B low over today's sessions, then this becomes the new A. If price rallies and takes out the A, then we start the reversal on this time frame. Okay, so nothing as yet. Moving over to the euro, the daily chart on euro, you can see we're still in a bullish AB swing on the euro. There's our A low, there's our B high. Price came down and gave us a nice morning star candlestick formation, came and tested that and rallied as well. We were of the opinion that we're going to be rallying up towards the actual B high, but you can see price came down. Is this a test? Because we didn't violate the A low yet, so we're still in a uptrend. Is this a test of these candlestick formations and a test of the low? Time will tell. We need price to be rallying up to higher levels in order to maintain the uptrend. Like I said, if we break this A low, then we start the reversal on this time frame. Yesterday was extremely bearish with price falling quite hard. The 4-hour chart, yesterday when we left it, we said this was our new A low, and this we were still waiting for a B high to form. You can see that I can take that out. We've eventually did have a B high, and then you can see if I pull my fibs, you can see price actually came right down to the A low, but didn't quite take it out. I wouldn't call this a break of the A low. The low was at 523. This one came to 515, but you can see it was not a sustained break. Okay, price actually bounced directly out of it immediately after that. So for me, this is not a sustained break. This is just a normal AB swing that we are still in, a bullish AB swing with price finding support at the A low. Let's see if we do get a bit of a test of that today. Okay, followed by price continuing up. If price does fall down, guys, if price does fall down and take out the actual A low, then we start a reversal on this time frame. Okay. The 1-hour chart, we've actually got housekeeping to do here as well. This was our most recent AB swing, A low, B high, and you can see price came right down. Yesterday we were saying we were looking for the 618 or lower, and you can see once price hit the actual 618, there was nothing hinting that we in any bullish area as well, and price fell all the way down. So this one has actually started a reversal on this time frame already. So this is our new A, and you can see we've already got a B low that has formed already. So there's our new AB swing. Okay, we can draw fibs on the AB swing, and we can see that we're looking for price to come up to the 618 or higher, where we'll step down to a 5-minute chart, look for a fall, a test, another bearish candlestick formation, and a short entry anywhere from the 618 upwards. If price rallies from current levels and takes out this A high overcoming sessions, then we've got resumption of uptrend. And once again, if we fall from current levels and take out the B low, then this will become our new A. But you can clearly see that we were making higher highs and higher lows. Yesterday we actually broke the most recent low, starting a reversal on this time frame. Bitcoin, nothing much to say on Bitcoin other than we're still waiting for a B high to form. You can see that at some point this was our AB swing. Price came in, violated this A low, starting a reversal, and then a few days later came and took out the actual A high, which is continuation of uptrend. Like I've been saying, we're looking for price with the original AB swing, this A low and this B high. We're looking for price to land up at 29,700 over coming sessions. But looking at the current swing that we have in place, once we have that B in place, which should be by the end of this day, if price remains below 26,495, then we'll draw fibs and we'll then look for the 618 or lower, at which point we'll look for an entry. So guys, so that's where we're at. We happy that Crude and Brent broke its ranges that we were in for the better part of 3 months. We've made our pips this week already, so we'll sit back and wait and see what the charts present to us, and then we'll trade based on our trading rules. Enjoy the trading day, and we'll chat tomorrow. Subscribe to the channel, guys, and hit the bell notification so that you're alerted whenever I do videos. We do videos as best we can every morning. Thanks. Cheers. Bye.